everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll see some of EVS worksheets and fruits and vegetables. In the first one I have given some pattern activity. So apple, mango, grape, apple, mango. What comes next? The next worksheet, here I have given two bowls, fruits and vegetables, and kid has to identify which is a fruit and which is a vegetable and place it in the respective bowls.
Banana is fruit, apple is
Orange,
is fruit, apple is fruit, grapes and fruit, watermelon fruit, mango fruit, brinjal is vegetables, peach vegetables, carrot vegetables, potato vegetables.
fruits in the bowl and vegetables in the vegetable bowls. Next one, here some tools are missing and the kid has to identify and place it in the respective place.
This one and this one and this one and this one.
Next we have here scary screw. Kid has to identify the parts and place it in the respective places. The next activity, here kid has to place the vegetables in the respective places by identifying brinjal in one row, carrot in another row and cucumber in another row.
We can also ask it to place like 2 brinjals, 2 tomatoes, 2 carrot and 2 cucumber.
This activity will improve concentration and thinking ability. Next we have here some of the vegetables and fruit and the slices. So kid has to identify and place it in a respective place.
Watermelon and watermelon slice. Tomato slice. Orange slice.